Once you've unRAR'd the file, you can use VMware Player in order to play the virtual machine which is contained inside the folder. Allow the virtual machine to boot up, and then simply type the IP address into your browser in order to access the install wizard. The next step is to activate the software itself. You'll find that activation key in the email that you received. Just copy it from the email and paste it into the box. Now that the software is activated, you can begin installation. If at any point you have any questions or doubts, please feel free to email us or give us a phone call. We'd be happy to help. So far, you've gotten the SharePath backend installed. The next step is to install the host manager. The host manager is the software component which collects all of the transactions coming into your web server and sends them out to the SharePath server in order to be analyzed. Simply choose your operating system and your web server and go through the steps, which will include downloading the host manager for your operating system, installing it, configuring it, and then doing some QA checks with the traffic. The next step is going to be to install the page tracker, which is simply a little piece of JavaScript code which is loaded with your web pages in order to allow SharePath to measure the real user experience from the user's browser. Even if you do not install the page tracker, you're still going to be able to measure the accurate end user response times from the moment that transactions hit the data center. The next step will be to log in to the SharePath Real User Monitoring graphic user interface. Just click on the link and enter the username and password that are provided. Notice that the SharePath dashboard may be empty if there's no traffic running on your monitored site. Finally, consult the SharePath user guide. It's going to provide all of the descriptions you need in order to make sure you've got a full installation, full configuration, setting up alerts and transaction names. And if there's anything that you have questions about, please, again, feel free to send us an email or give us a phone call.